Hello and welcome back to the basics of Discord.js. Today we're going to be going over message embeds. Now, a message embed is, let's have a little look, is something that looks a little bit like this. This is an example from another bot I made. You can add all sorts of stuff. You can set this color. There's all sorts of stuff on the Discord.js documentation with different fields and so forth. Let's just find it. That's the guide. Anyway, speaking of stuff that's useful, this website, you'll find it linked below. The Discord.js guide, it's a very good tool to teach you stuff. I'm only going to be going over the basics of everything. This is a very good tool to use to teach you how to do different things like databases, all this sort of stuff, working with audit logs, common questions, partial structures, all that kind of stuff. Let's just go into the Discord.js. Let's just find where's the hang on. There you go. Not the guide, documentation. Here's an example that you can use. There are some examples like that. Like how to set colours, titles and all that stuff. We're going to be going over just... I'll show you. Let's go down over to message embeds down here. Should be down here. Message embeds, there you go. So, as you can see down here, there's all this stuff. All this stuff here. So footer, you can add files, images, length, a thumbnail, timestamps, title, all this kind of stuff. And you can do a type. There's a rich, there's an image, it's a GIF, video, link, all this sort of stuff. It's all very useful stuff. So, just get started. We're going to do it in a command, but you can use it on your welcome message. Spice it up a little bit. Right, let's just go case. Let's think of a file name. I'm just going to say embed, sake simplicity. So now we're going to want to create our file. We can go click this button, go to commands folder, new file, embed.js. Right, go to index. And you can just start adding stuff. So we're going to need to do client.commands.get. Then we need to put our name, which is embed. Then there's something else. We can't just do message and args. We've got to execute Discord. So we've got to bring our Discord in. Then we've got to do message and args as well. And then we've got to break it. Okay, right, let's go into our embed file. Let's start doing it. So module.exports equal. Right, so then we've got name. That's embed. Our description. Anyway, this can be whatever you want. Description. And we're just gonna say, oh, sorry, it's not a semicolon, that's a comma. Common mistake. Description test embed command. Now let's execute. We've got Discord. It's very important that you put everything in here that you say you are going to. So we've got Discord, message, and args. Let's open that up the curly bracket, and we can get started. So we're going to want to first off define embed. So const embed equals new Discord dot message embed. Now don't end this off on a semicolon, because everything you want to define as part of your embed needs to go in here. So say you want to set a title. So title. So our title of this is going to be test embed. Don't end this off either. Anything you add needs to just be, it could all be on the end of this. So this would all work. So say you set title there, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do it underneath to make it look a bit cleaner. Set title. We're going to add a field. A field is just a section of text separately with its own subtitle. So we're going to say test field. This is an example of a field. Then we're going to say set footer. And we can add a footer. So let's just say, let's just put our made by, no, let's just say test embed footer. Now let's set a color. So we want to set color. This is very important that you use the American spelling of color. Now we're going to want hex color. So let's just pick a hex color. Just say a nice red. Let's say darker red there. And you want to just take this last bit here. Oh, no. Not there. Let's have a look at this, for example. Let's go and have a look at the example of a message embed. And as you can see, the color is just without the hashtag, and it's got a 0x on it. So you want to take everything after the hashtag and say 0x, then put your color in, and that is how you color. We're not done yet though. That's just saying what your embed is. Now we've got to message.channel.send, and you can just say embed. There you go. That's your embed command sorted. As you can say, you can put this anywhere. You can make it in your welcome command, in your server greeting if you want to. I'm not going to, but that is always a possibility. As I say, this tutorial is only to outline the basics and to develop your understanding of it. So let's just go node space dot. As you can see, it's logged in. Go here and we're going to do embed. And as you can see, it's errored. Let's see what it's saying. It's errored on discord.message embed. We forgot to put. It's very important that you always put this in as well. You're supposed to put new message embed. Sorry about that. Let's restart. Sorry about that. You live and you learn. Mistakes happen. As you can see, it's got a color, it's got a test field, and it's got a footer. As I've said, there are all these parameters on it. You can do what you want with it. It's very nice. The footers. Set author, you can do all that stuff. Color, description, footer, image, thumbnail, timestamp. So you can set the timestamp that it's even done on. Sent on, sorry. You can set the URL. And you can send stuff to a JSON. Anyway, so just the possibilities really are endless. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this taught you something. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. And goodbye.